This is Steve Spector again with Rafael Knuth of the OpenStack Summit, and we have Dan Dumitriu, who is the co-founder of Midokura, with us today. Can you tell us a little bit about your company?
Sure, Steve. So I'm the co-founder and CEO of Midokura. We started about 3 years ago, and we are a vendor providing a network virtualization solution for infrastructure as a service clouds like OpenStack.
And so you're here at OpenStack. Is there any announcements that you guys made this week, or is there any recent news?
The only announcement we have is that our product is now in general availability. I think about 6 months ago we announced that it was in beta, and now we believe it's ready for production.
So can you tell us a little bit about your product and who would use it, and what kind of use case you think would be the perfect example for your solution?
So practically any cloud service provider or private cloud deployer should use a network virtualization product with OpenStack. It provides a number of benefits, like the ability to decouple your physical network from the virtual network presented to the tenants. So you can provision your physical network once and forget about it, and remove all human intervention from the provisioning process of networks and applications and workloads that are orchestrated through Nova and Quantum. We also handle things like NAT, stateless and stateful firewalls, DHCP, all in a fully distributed, fault-tolerant manner with no bottlenecks like the network namespaces and the network nodes or routers and virtual machines and such.
So your solution today, so within Quantum there's a set of APIs that exist, and for those listening, Quantum is essentially the networking piece. Maybe why don't you go ahead and talk a little bit about Quantum and OpenStack and how your solution fits in with that.
Sure. Our solution is delivered to OpenStack users as a Quantum plugin. So the tenants will interact with Quantum through the standard Quantum APIs, and that will automatically go into our plugin and program all the virtual network state and be distributed out to the agents that implement the actual forwarding functions and all that. So from the tenant's perspective, it really has no bearing on the way that they use the system, other than hopefully seeing improved performance. But for the operator, it enables them to architect their cloud in a more robust fashion, and hopefully a lower cost one as well.
So Rafael, did you have any questions?
I think you asked all questions.
We asked the good questions. Well, we appreciate you taking the time. We know you're busy here this week, and your technology is really doing well, and congratulations on the GA and getting it out there. And so we encourage all our listeners to go over and take a look at their solutions and try them out. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you very much.